folded away. Serta buka penutup jendela, and your window blind is raised. Pasang sabuk pengaman Anda dengan memasukkan ujung logam ke dalam gesper. Your seatbelt is fastened by inserting the metal loop into the buckle.
Good morning from Sumatra. This is my second day here, and the waves are going off right now. It's just absolutely sick. Here's a little bit of drone footage I just got. Yeah, so it's pretty fun out there. I'm about to head out. Okay, so I just finished surfing and the waves are absolutely going off. I think I'm gonna try and throw the drone up in the air again and get some shots. Yeah, so that's what the lineup looks like right now. It's firing. I'm still on a mission to find like a gallon water jug, so I'm about to head to the store and look for that and try and find some other snacks. On my trusty moped that I use as a drying rack. And it's really sketchy to drive here. And I always forget what side of the road to drive on too. Runs like a champ. What's in the bag? I got more top ramen, white coffee. I got these little stick things. They're like matcha thing. I don't know. Pepsi Blue. Those. Oh, good. And this looked really interesting. I don't know what these black squares are, but that's what it's made from. Matcha Kit Kats. So that is a wrap for today. There's weird chunky things in my drink.